Have you ever wished na merong comprehensive insurance plan that not only protects you, but also rewards you with guaranteed cash? Let me share you something exciting. Itong AIA A+ Signature. It's not your ordinary insurance plan. It's a complete protection package and a smart way to secure your future. Here's why this plan stands out. First, life insurance coverage. This ensures your loved ones are financially secure no matter what happens. Next, merong total and permanent disability coverage. If you become permanently disabled, this plan provides financial support. Next, personal accident insurance. Extra protection in case of accidental death. And lastly, meron ding critical illness coverage. It covers you sa 10 major illnesses so you're financially prepared when life takes an unexpected turn. Tapos meron siyang enhanced waiver premium. If you're diagnosed with a covered critical illness or experience total and permanent disability, you no longer need to pay the premiums. Your coverage continues. And here's the best part. Starting at the end of year 6, you will receive guaranteed cash payouts every 2 years hanggang age 100. So habang protected ka, may extra cash ka pang natatanggap. Bahala ka kung saan mo siya gagamitin. So let me show you a sample. Here's the plan I'm talking about. AIA A+ Signature. It's a comprehensive insurance plan. Sa example, dito sa male age 30, yung pinakamurang plan, may life insurance coverage siya na 500,000. Tapos may total and permanent disability, 250,000. Personal accident insurance, 250,000. And critical illness coverage for 10 major illnesses, 250,000 din. And here's the best part. It's also a bonus savings plan. Smart savings plan siya. Kasi it will give you guaranteed cash payout of 25,000 every 2 years up to age 100. So for example, ako 38 ako. So at age 44, makakatanggap na ako ng 25,000. Pwede kong gamitin whatever I want, wherever I want to use it. Then age 46, every 2 years hanggang mag-retire ako hanggang age 100. And then if I pass away, 500,000 goes to my beneficiaries. Alright? The 20-year comprehensive insurance premium is only 40,177.92 kung age 30 ka. Hindi yan nalalayo, depende sa age kasi it's more about the payout rather than the insurance. Maganda ba? You know, it's a smart savings plan that works double time, protecting your life while providing you with financial rewards along the way. Imagine having peace of mind knowing you're fully covered and from life uncertainties and you're receiving guaranteed cash every 2 years. So sa AIA A+ Signature, sulit na sulit ito. Protection, financial security, and then rewards. Let me know if you like this.